Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Wider from MassageChairRelief.com, and today we're going to show you how to use your new D.Core Cirrus massage chair for the first time. The owner's manual is a small owner's manual, easy to read, nicely written, no crossover from one language to the next like some owner's manuals are. But anyways, this chair, you can just grab a hold of the real U.S. sourced hardwood armrests, put yourself back into the chair, and now this chair, again, very, very simple, like most other massage chairs. You push the power button on the remote. The remote is a pedestal remote. You'll see it's here on this little metal pedestal. You push the power button, and then you select one of the 9 programs. I usually go with the quick program. Just a minute. Let's see. I got it. Just a minute. No, I turned it off by accident. Sorry about that. There we go. Now it's on the quick program, and this will kind of give you a demonstration of what the chair can do. It has a spring-loaded ottoman. It's not electronic, and it's a very light spring, so you don't have to feel like you have to push hard to keep it out. This chair is very comfortable. It has a lot of padding on the seat, on the arms, on the back. It's a very comfortable chair to sit in, but it has a very, very strong roller massage, and I love this chair. It has the calf rollers, which is a relatively new function on a lot of chairs in our industry. It has foot rollers, which you pretty much expect to get anymore. You've got shoulder airbags that'll pin your shoulders back. You've got arm airbags on the top, but on the bottom of the arm airbags, on the arm massage mechanism, you have rollers. So it's the first chair that has rollers that work on your arms. And it's an interesting feeling because the rollers come up underneath underneath the palm of your hand and kind of work the palm and the bottom of your fingers. It's really a unique feel. It's something I'm not accustomed to feeling, but I like it. You know, this is another progressive advancement in the development of massage chairs, arm and hand rollers. And now the roller's coming up and doing a scan on me. It's a very solid, very smooth roller mechanism, and you can feel it, and it pushes hard into your spine. It's doing a scan right now to figure out where my shoulders are, and now the beeping is telling me that the chair is ready to go. Do we have the rollers at the right place? And most chairs will do that. It'll beep at the end of the scan to make sure that the rollers are where they should be for your height and your body size. And that is what you can, how you can get started. It's very easy. Push the power button, push the program button, and let the chair do its thing. When it's over, the chair will turn off. It will not come up to neutral until you tell it to do so, or if you turn the program off in the middle of the program and don't let it run to the end, you can turn it off and it'll come right up, and we'll show you that in a second. But anyways, it's a very good massage, solid, strong massage. The arm rollers are what happens is the airbags on the arms on the top push down, and then the rollers underneath your fingers and your palms and your forearm push up and roll on the belly of your arm while the airbags are pushing down. Wonderful, wonderful experience. And you can see also the shoulder airbags, which can be adjusted for height, are pinning my shoulders back. Great massage. And then when you're done, you just push the power button and the chair will restore, the rollers will park. And again, this is an L track, so you get the butt massage as well as the foot and the calf and the arms and the upper back massage. Comes back up to neutral and you're done. So that's it for your introduction to your first time use of the D.Core Cirrus massage chair. It's a new model. It has been quite popular. I suspect this will be a very well received chair, in large part because it's a great massage, but also because of how nice it looks. It's a very, very beautiful, I dare call it a piece of furniture. Anyways, I'm Dr. Alan Wider from MassageChairRelief.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please feel free to thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel, and of course, help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video on your social media platforms with your friends and family. We do appreciate that. I'll talk to you on the next visit. Bye-bye.